Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It looks like we have a power strip, has overload protection, fire retardant material, smart USB charging. Same thing on this side, made in China. And here's the technical parameters. All right, let's open it up. Okay, has instructions here. The 6 standard plugs, a button here, LED lights, and 3 USB. Let's plug into the wall. It's angled, so normally it's like this. Plug it into the wall socket. So it's angled a little bit there. Back we have some more specs, and then cushion for the stand flat, and that's it. If you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.